Here we are given with a one line code. Let's run it. And when we run it, it is asking to enter your name, Berlin. It giving an error. Type errors can only concatenate string to string, not integer to string. What it is telling us that the first part is a string and the second part is an integer. So concatenation doesn't work with string to integer. It only works with string to string. So let's comment it out. We will set a variable named user and ask our users to enter your name. We will confirm its type by entering 10 type user. Then we will add a second variable name length. What will it do? It will count the number of characters of our name. We'll also check data type. So let's run our code. It is asking to enter your name, Berlin. Here, our first part, which is print string. User is string, and in second, it is integer. The length part is integer. Okay. So let's comment out both. And if we repeat the same process as previously, it will not give the result. So we have to change data type. For that, we will try to print number of letters in your name concatenation. Here, be careful as we are converting data type to string. As length was integer, we converted it into string, and we will hit run, enter name Berlin, and it gives us number of letters in your name 6, as Berlin has 6 characters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all.